Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head down to the state of Florida and we're going to go to fly drones at the Miami Marine Stadium. I've been wanting to fly here for 3 years. The Miami Marine Stadium was built in 1964 and now is abandoned. It was built specifically for viewers to watch powerboat racing on Biscayne Bay. When we first arrived, there were 20 to 30 big black vultures flying around, protecting their nests. Ken Godley sent his Mavic 3 Pro up, and the birds didn't bother it. I wanted to get great shots of the sunrise, so I sent my Mavic 3 Pro up. You could see the big black vultures flying around. And let me know in the comments if you would send your drone up with big black vultures flying around. That's Miami Beach off in the distance there. And this is the Miami skyline. I'll show you that shortly.
There he goes, the bumblebee is off.
All right, Alex is up. He's out of here. We were having fun flying. And we were blessed with a beautiful sunrise this morning. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. Here's a closer look at the stadium. I used the telephoto lens on the Mavic 3 Pro. I didn't want to get too close to the stadium with those big black vultures flying around. I also used the telephoto lens to zoom in on the buildings of the Miami City skyline. I love this telephoto lens. Then I decided to fly around with the Neo 2 following me. This is such a cool little drone, really. And it's got a great camera, too. And another cool thing, it lands right in the palm of your hand. We had a great mini meetup at the Miami Marine Stadium. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my live weekly podcast every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.